Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are about to watch the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest way possible. No complicated lessons, no stress. Just listen carefully and watch the video multiple times to improve your understanding and learning. Today, we're heading to the heart of America to explore one of the most iconic landmarks in the United States, the Gateway Arch in St. Louis, Missouri. Known as America's Gateway to the West, this massive stainless steel structure stands tall as a symbol of expansion, innovation, and opportunity. But what's the story behind this impressive monument? Why was it built, and what does it represent? Let's find out. The Gateway Arch is located on the west bank of the Mississippi River, standing 630 feet tall and 630 feet wide, making it the tallest arch in the world. It was completed in 1965 as part of the Jefferson National Expansion Memorial, honoring President Thomas Jefferson's role in opening the western frontier with the Louisiana Purchase in 1803. The arch celebrates the pioneers and explorers who ventured westward in search of new opportunities and a better life. The design of the Gateway Arch came from architect Eero Saarinen, who won a national design competition in 1947. His vision was to create a monument that symbolized America's spirit of exploration and westward expansion. The result was a sleek, stainless steel arch that curves gracefully toward the sky, capturing the sense of adventure that defined America's growth. Construction of the arch was a remarkable engineering achievement. It took 4 years to complete, and the process involved assembling two massive legs that were carefully aligned and joined at the top. Workers had to use precision and skill to ensure that the two sides met perfectly. Today, the arch stands as a marvel of design and construction. Visitors to the Gateway Arch can take a unique tram ride to the top, where they are rewarded with breathtaking views of St. Louis and the Mississippi River. From this height, it's easy to imagine the vastness of the land that early pioneers explored as they traveled west. The Gateway Arch isn't just a monument. It's a symbol of courage, ambition, and the endless possibilities that come with exploration and discovery. It reminds us of America's journey westward and the pioneers who shaped the nation's history. Congratulations on making it to the end of this video. Now you know why the Gateway Arch is considered America's gateway to the West, and why it remains a powerful symbol of exploration and opportunity. Don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you won't miss the feedback video, which is essential for reinforcing what you've learned and improving your mastery of English and American culture. Give this video a like and share it with your friends to help us grow and continue creating high-quality content for you. See you in the next video.